Friendship School and it's lift towards time. And here we are first at the Friendship Building. This school looks like a really realistic school. And here we are in the music room. And you are first at the Friendship Building and look at the classrooms. They look really realistic. Anyways, and first to the lift in the Friendship Building, which the lifts here are Otis Series 1. Or, I mean, Series 4. Anyways, let's ride the lift. And that is the floor directory. Look at this. This is the directory. The Friendship School. And now let's have an explore around Friendship Building. There's a classroom that have realistic stuff on it. That have chairs. I don't understand why. The chairs are made of metal. What should it if they didn't make it of wood? Just only the tables are made of wood. I don't know what the hell are you doing, Melvin. Here it is, the rear side of a classroom, M.3s out of 3. Anyways, here's another floor directory. Hey, look, restrooms are available on levels 1, 3, and 5. Well, these are just the odd levels. Well, but the even levels are just 2. There's just only between 2 and 4. There is a rear staircase. This is another staircase of the Friendship Building. Let's get inside. There's the bottom staircase. The ceiling is so small. Anyways, let's go up the staircase. Oh, look at the other windows. Hello. Just saying, I don't know if this building has roof. Fifth floor out. Oh, look! It has a roof. Let's go out and see where it sits. And there is a roof, and upside, and there it is, the lift matter room. Spooky. close the door so nothing bad will happen. Anyways, I think the bribe works very good. Anyways, let's get back down. I'll shut the door. I don't know what the hell. In each building they have only two lifts. If there was here a fire alarm, then I could create a fire drill. Just I don't need the principal's permission since this is just only skyscraper C. Anyways, here we pass the music rooms. Here's music room number 1. So those look very opaque outside. I don't know where is the principal's office. Music room 2. Student affairs. I think student affairs is the principal's office. And first aid room is just the nurse room. I think behind these doors is the nurse room. Just I think it could be somewhere the principal's office. And here we are now at Comless Building. Let's just go see and look what you can find. There's just more things in Comless Building. It's just the registry, it's the department, fitness department, academic department, gardens department, the biology lab. Anyways, Sussex lab. Here's the Comless Building directory. I think some of the stuff are this way. So that is the biology lab. Sussex lab. Chemistry lab 2. Chemistry lab 1. That is a fire exit. Let's go this way. Less restrooms. Visitors long. Building department. Stationery room. I think stationery room is the principal's office. There's maybe one here. Stationery room is the principal's office. So anyways, you're now the Comless Building. And here we are now the lift in Comless Building, which is the same lift as the lift in Friendship Building. Let me check on another directory where restrooms are available. Oh, in this building there are in all levels. Anyways, let's go up the stairs. You're up over the roof. What is behind here? I think another lift mod. Spooky. I think there's the master room. Anyways, let's shut the door to get back down to the first floor. Anyways, let's shut the door. Oh man, in skyscrapers in camera, I have to go pee. Anyways, let's go to the master restroom. Boys' restroom. There I'm done. Female's restroom. And I think that is just everything for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.